Hi viewers, this is Phone Clinic, and right here with you is Engineer OC. Today I want to teach you how to bypass FRP on TECNO camon 12 without piecing. Now the first thing you need to do is connect to a Wi-Fi network. You can see I'm already connected to Engineer OC. You can see it's connected already. So what you need to do, connect and then go like this, just copy, still continue, then verify your PIN. Now go this way, the PIN you use for your phone, you type it, click, wait for it to load, then you see the next menu will pop up. You can see, then you skip this option, skip, skip, skip. Select your country. We are in Nigeria, so you select Nigeria, click on next, then you click on this agreement, then click on next, so you can see, then click on next. See the option, still click, and then your phone is set for you to use. You wait for it to come up. You can see, then thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Phone Clinic, for more videos. Thank you.